Good morning to you guys, and today we are in Scratch Junior. Let's go home. And I've made a game. I'm gonna show it to you how to play and how to make it too. So it's called Project 2. And we have a birdie, we have some rocks, and we have arrow. So let me expand. And let me press a green flag. And my birdie is always going down. I need to help it go up, otherwise it will get into rocks. Yay, I've made it! Let's go back. So let's imagine I don't support with this arrow. I don't press it. What happens with the birdie? You see, it switches. Yes and no. Let me play it again. I press red arrow to help birdie fly up, 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 and it says yes. If I let birdie fall down on a rock, it says no. That's it. Let me show you how it works. I will go create new project, and I will press this guy and I will hold it a little bit, like press and hold, and this red button, delete button, I delete it. So first of all, I need to go and find a backdrop. Here you go. Then I need character. So I go here to this plus, I go to paint, and I try to paint birdie. Maybe for its wings, for its body, for its tail, for its head, and beak. I choose a bucket tool and I fill it up like this. To turn it, I have a turning tool. To turn my beak like this, I turn it, I choose this arrow and I put it out here, and my wings don't look good. So I just click on them and I have those little manipulation tools. I move it, move it, move it. The same do with tail, like this. Maybe an eye. Here you go, I have my birdie. Actually, the bird has two wings. Let me make this a little bit different. So I will do this copy tool. Press it, click it. Now I have two, and I can turn it a little bit, like this. Excellent. I have my birdie. Let's click OK. And my birdie has to fly. I go here. When green flag clicked, it has to fly. So we will put here two steps and one step down. So it's gonna fall down. And it does it like this forever. Check it out. You see my birdie is flying, but it's also falling down. Step number 2, we need an arrow. So let's go here, paint. We use a triangle, choose a red color, we paint like this. And we use square, and we use the bucket tool, fill it up. Here we have. You can adjust it actually by clicking, and you can create, you see, you can add. Let me go back. So adjust, you need to do right click, and you have extra dot, you see. Like this. I have an arrow. Okay, that's it. I have an arrow. I put it out here. I have a birdie. I have an arrow. I need some rocks. So I go to create a new character, paint, and I need to paint some rocks. I can use triangle. like this. Oops. Like 1 and 2. Let's move them a little bit. So I got beautiful rocks. I use a bucket tool, fill it up. That's it. I put rocks out here, and I need another hanging from top. So I go to plus, paint, triangle, 1 rock, 2 rock, bucket tool, move it. Here you go. Here you go. You have beautiful rocks. And rocks have to move different directions. So let's go to the first rock. When the game starts, it has to go like this forever. That's a forever. And another one has to go another direction. When green flag clicked, go this direction forever. Let me see. You see? Okay, now we need to help Birdie fly. So let's stop it. Let's go to the arrow. And when arrow is pressed, so here we have when it's pressed, it has to send a message. Let's make it red message. When this sprite clicked, when arrow is clicked, I have arrow out here, it sends a message. When Birdie is falling down, it's flying ahead and falling down. When Birdie receives the message, the red one, it goes up. Let's test it. You see, it goes up. Help, help, help. Okay, so let's do timer. We need an next scene, so we go here to create, you see, right out here. We have a next scene, we delete this guy, and here we have to make like yes or no, or we need another one. So this one will be for yes, and this one will be for no. Or like you did it, you won, and here you lost. Let's go here, and let's go paint. I choose the biggest one, paint. Let's choose green, and we just start. Oops. Paintbrush. Paintbrush is out here. Okay, let's just paint like this. Yay, I did it. Do like this. Green will be for yes. Okay, and we click yes, and another one will be for no, so it will be like red. Yeah. Paint. Okay, so we have one stage for yes and one stage for no, and here we'll create, let's paint. I will choose white, or maybe grayish, and I will write yes. Oh, you won. You won. Okay, here we have. And the code for you won is when green flag clicked, you repeat, change size. So we have here, make it bigger, and the same, make it smaller. So it will grow and it will shrink. getting smaller, getting bigger, getting smaller, repeating this 4 times, repeating 4 times, and let's do it forever. Like this. You won. Okay, the next one is, let's create, paint, and you lost. Click it. And the same code. When green flag clicked, repeat. Repeat 4 times, getting bigger. Repeat 4 times, getting smaller, forever. So let me test it. If our birdie touches something, we switch to you lost, because there is nothing to touch out here except rocks. So let's go to scenes, and we have scenes. And if our birdie, when green flag clicked, wait certain amount of time, like maybe 30 seconds, and then switch to U1. So that's a timer. If you hold 30 seconds, you switch to U1. If she touches something, the birdie, it says you lost. Okay, let me expand it. Goes good. Up, 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 up. Yay, you won. Maybe I should put a little bit more time. Let's go to birdie. Not 30, but maybe 80. Let me expand it. Okay, I click, I support my birdie, I help it fly. Okay, let's imagine we cannot do it. Yeah, I won. Let's do it again. And it flies down. You lost, it touched the rock. What else we can do? If it touches something, let's go to birdie. If it touches something, it also spins. If it touches something, it also spins a bit. Repeat certain amount of time. Let's disconnect. If it touches something, it spins. Yeah, let's test it. Oh, you see, it was spinning, like falling down. Okay, let's go to birdie and let's make it spin like 15 times. Expand. Oh, you lost. Let's play it again. I will help my birdie fly, 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 birdie, fly, 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 fly. Yay, I won. Let's make it loose, like fall down. Oh, it's spinning. You lost. That's a game, guys. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.